Which cooking oil is best for hair care and how do I use it?
Welcome, dear viewers. Today, we'll unravel the secret to lustrous, healthy hair using an ingredient right from your kitchen. Yes, you've heard it right, it's the humble cooking oil, which is not just for cooking but a miraculous solution for hair care. We'll be focusing on the best cooking oil for hair care and also guide you on how to use it.
Why cooking oils for hair care?
Cooking oils are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids that can deeply nourish your hair and scalp, promoting overall hair health. They can moisturize your hair, combat dryness, reduce frizz, and encourage hair growth.
Which cooking oil is the best for hair care?
After considerable research and user testimonials, we've found that the crown for the best cooking oil for hair care goes to coconut oil. This versatile oil is laden with lauric acid, a type of fatty acid that deeply penetrates the hair shaft, nourishing it from within. It also possesses strong antimicrobial properties, which can help to combat common scalp issues.
How do I use coconut oil for hair care?
Now let's dive into the usage of this miracle oil for hair care. Step 1. Warm the coconut oil. Take a small amount of coconut oil, depending on the length and thickness of your hair, and gently warm it up. It should be warm, but not too hot to touch. Step 2. Apply to your hair and scalp. Start by massaging the oil into your scalp using your fingertips. Then work your way down, applying oil from the roots to the tips of your hair. Step 3. Leave it on. Allow the oil to sit in your hair for at least an hour. For better results, you can leave it on overnight. Step 4. Rinse it off. Finally, rinse it off with a mild shampoo. You may need to shampoo twice to remove all the oil. Remember, it's recommended to oil your hair at least once a week for noticeable results.
Are there any other oils beneficial for hair?
Indeed. While coconut oil stands out, other cooking oils like olive oil and almond oil also exhibit fantastic benefits for hair health. Olive oil is great for dry hair as it deeply moisturizes, whereas almond oil, being rich in vitamin E, promotes hair growth and adds shine to your hair. There you have it, folks. Coconut oil, the gem from your kitchen, is the best cooking oil for hair care. So why wait? Give your hair the love and care it deserves. Remember, beautiful hair is just a kitchen away. We hope this video was informative and you enjoyed watching it as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Until next time, keep shining.